You can't see it, you can touch it, but remove it, and every galaxy in the universe flies apart instantly.
Think about that for a second. We are talking about an unseen poltergeist that acts as the absolute cosmic glue holding our entire universe together. The stakes literally couldn't be higher. So we really have to ask ourselves, what exactly is holding our reality together? Because without this completely unseen scaffold, the universe as we know it would be completely smooth, just entirely uniform. Those massive clumps of stars and galaxies, they never would have merged, meaning you and I wouldn't even exist.
Act 1. The invisible scaffold. Now, what's really unsettling about this is when you look at the actual numbers. Everything we know, everything we see, smell, touch, every star, every planet in the night sky, you, me, we make up a measly 5% of the universe. Just 5%. The rest of it is entirely hidden from us. You've got dark energy, which pushes things apart, making up 68%. And then there's dark matter, our unseen cosmic glue, making up 27%. So what is this stuff? Well, dark matter is a completely unseen substance. It does not emit light, it doesn't absorb it, it doesn't reflect it. It is entirely dark to our most advanced instruments, and it interacts with our world almost exclusively through gravity. Right now, at this very moment, you are sitting in a sea of this invisible web. It is passing right through your body, and you don't even know it. It's essentially a ghost, just haunting the cosmos. Act 2. The discovery. So, how exactly do you find a ghost? Well, you look for what it haunts, right? In 1933, a Swiss astronomer named Fritz Zwicky was looking at the Coma cluster of galaxies, and he realized they were moving way, way too fast. Based on the visible mass he could actually see, those galaxies should have just flown apart. So he coined the term dark matter to explain this missing gravity. Fast forward decades later to the 1970s, and Vera Rubin found the exact same anomaly. She noticed spiral galaxies were spinning so violently that they should literally rip themselves to shreds. Unless, of course, something totally invisible was holding them together. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what Vera Rubin found. The stars at the outer edges of galaxies, they don't slow down like you'd expect them to. Their velocities stay nearly constant. And honestly, this completely defies the laws of physics if you're only basing it on visible matter. It absolutely proves that a massive invisible dark halo has to surround them, providing that crucial extra gravity. Then came what we call gravitational lensing. It's basically a cosmic fishbowl effect. See, massive invisible objects actually bend the light traveling from distant galaxies. As that light makes its way toward Earth, it passes through these invisible dark matter halos and distorts. It confirms without a shadow of a doubt the presence of a vast, completely unseen mass out there. Act 3. The suspects. Let's look at the lineup. Suspect number 1, WIMPs. That stands for weakly interacting massive particles. These are huge, extremely sluggish, theoretical particles with about 100 times the mass of a proton. Then suspect number 2, axions. These are ultralight particles, literally 1 trillion times lighter than an electron, and they behave much more like a wave. And to catch these extremely rare phantoms, scientists are currently building massive, deep underground tanks filled with pure xenon. It's wild stuff. And suspect number 3, primordial black holes. Now, these are not your typical collapsed stars. No, these are ancient, incredibly dense black holes that have just been wandering the universe since right after the Big Bang. And thanks to some recent discoveries from the LIGO Observatory, this rather terrifying theory is actually really gaining traction. The finale, the 95% mystery. So the crucial point here in this explainer is absolutely staggering. Despite all of our incredible, advanced technology, despite our massive telescopes, our particle colliders, and some of the most brilliant minds in human history, 95% of the universe remains completely, totally hidden from us. We are just a tiny 5% speck of visible dust floating in a vast, dark, unseen ocean. The hunt is absolutely still on, but the void out there is vast, and it really makes you wonder, if we are completely blind to most of our own universe, what else is hiding out there in the dark? Comment what you think dark matter is. Thank you for exploring the invisible universe with us.